Welcome to another OpenLab screencast. My name is Olivia, I use she, her pronouns, and I'm a Digital Pedagogy Fellow on the OpenLab community team. In this series, I'll be guiding you through the basic building blocks that go into every OpenLab site, whether you're creating a site for a class, a club, a personal portfolio, or another project. In this video, I'll show you how to customize the appearance of your website. Here we are on the dashboard of our site. To return to the front end at any time, you can click on the site name in the dark gray bar at the top of the window. If you're on the front end, you can click on the same place to return to the dashboard. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, we have a navigation bar that will allow us to edit different aspects of our site. The most important ones when you're just getting started are posts, pages, and appearance. If you mouse over the Appearance button, you'll see a submenu with buttons for themes, customizing, menus, and widgets. In this video, we'll just focus on the Customize button. Let's click on it now. In the Customize window, you'll see a live preview of your site on the right and an editing menu on the left. As you make changes on the left, the preview will automatically update on the right. Under Site Identity, you can change the title and tagline of your site. On my own course sites, I like to put the meeting time and room number of the class in my tagline so that information is always easy to find. The Colors tab allows you to change the general color scheme of your site. Under Header Image and Background Image, you can upload your own files to change the images that display in both places. The default background image for most sites is no image at all. Next, you'll notice Menu and Widget options. You can edit the menu and widgets here on the Customize page if you want, but I find it easier to use another method, which I'll show you in a different video. Lastly, under Homepage Settings, you can decide whether you want the front page of your site to display a static page or to display your most recent posts. You can decide what setup works best for your site. For courses, we generally recommend that you use a static welcome page that introduces students to your course and the site. However, if you will be regularly posting new announcements to your site that you don't want your students to miss, similar to the home page of a Blackboard site, you may want a dynamic blog as your home page. This will display your most recent posts. To have a static home page, you'll need to select an existing page. If you haven't drafted a home page yet, you'll need to make one using the Pages button on the dashboard. When you're done on the Customize page, make sure to either click the blue Publish button to save your changes and then the X in the upper left-hand corner to exit. If you don't want to save your changes, just click on the X. Now you know how to customize the appearance of your site. For more information, you can check out our other videos or our written help documentation. I'll put links in the video description. Thanks for joining me today.